Hi everyone, welcome back. So in the today's session, we'll cover what is the basic difference between hash map and hash set. Okay, so we already know that guys, both classes hash map and hash set are belong from the collection frameworks. Okay, so have a look. Okay, so what is hash map? Okay, so Java hash map is a hash table based implementation of map interface. Okay, so what is hash table guys? It's a data structure. Okay, so in the first point of hash set is a set. It creates a collection that use a hash table for storage. Okay. So we go for the next point. Second one, hash map is implements map, clonable and serializable interface. Okay. So in the same manner, hash set implements set, clonable, serializable, and iterable collection interface. Okay, so additional to has said it is iterable. Okay, then the third point, in hash map we store key value pairs. Okay, we notice guys that for the map, when you go for like retrieve any data like add or you have to just retrieve, you go for that key and value pair. Okay, suppose we have a name. Okay, respect to the name, you have to just add some values. Okay, so in the same manner, third point of hash set, in hash set we store objects. Okay, store as object. So we have to just create an object. Okay, so through that particular value now we have to just add it. Okay, add that particular whatever data we have. Okay, so in the fourth point, it does not allow duplicate keys. Which one? Hash map, but duplicate values are allowed. Okay, so as I give an example in the previous point, suppose I have a name called Dinesh. Okay, so in the next whatever data I need to add, I cannot add one more key like name because it's already there. I can add name as Satish. Okay, so same manner in the fourth point of hash set does not allow duplicate values. Okay, it's not an allow any duplicate value. Okay, so we know that guys, if you're from Selenium background guys, whenever you go for a multiple window handle, you usually use for the set interface. Okay, because it's not allow the duplicate windows. Okay, so go for the set. Okay, so the fifth point guys, hash map of its contain a single key and multiple null values. Okay, so hash map contains single null key and multiple null values. Okay, same manner, it hash set contains a single null value only. Fine. So in the sixth one guys, hash map used put method guys. Okay, so whenever we just go for like add any particular key and value pair, we go for the put method guys, not the add methods. Okay, so just remember this point guys. Okay, so in the same manner, 6 point, hash set use the add methods only. Okay, so after creating the variable, creating new object guys, you have to go for the add method. Okay, so after creating the means new object of the go for the variable name dot, you only got the add methods. Okay, to add the elements in the hash set. So in the last point, hash map is little bit faster than hash set. Okay, because the value are associated with the a unique key. Okay, why it's faster? Because it's allow only one key pair. Okay, only one key, not duplicate key. Okay, so in hash set, slower than hash map because the member object is used for calculating hash code value. Okay, so that's why it's a little bit slower. Okay, so just have a look on that hierarchy guys in the collection. Okay, so collection is the top. Okay, then the child interface is list, queue, set. Okay, so these are the like classes. So these things I already cover guys in my channel. Okay, so till now if not subscribe my channel guys, I request you to just subscribe it because I have already explained all the things. Like I already explained this Java collection briefly here, but I already explained that for Java in the scratch level guys. Okay, the basic level I have already explained. And if you are interested for the automation testing, so I have already explained that Selenium, okay, with test engine from the basic level, including some interview questions, guys. Okay, so if you are not subscribed, just like and subscribe my channel, guys. Okay, in the future also I just added most updated video, guys, which is most important for the interview perspective and learning perspective, guys. Okay, so till then, guys, just learn from your side. Okay, and visit all my videos. Okay, so thank you so much for guys watching. See you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.